Hello guys, welcome to Nachu King. Today I am going to put a video of how to make thumbnail and how to put a thumbnail to your YouTube video. Okay guys, we can go. Open Google Chrome. Okay. Now first I will show which app is for making thumbnail. Canva.com. Canva.com. Look, Canva.com. You can see Canva.com. Canva. You can take that app and write create a design. If you want to make a thumbnail, create a design here. YouTube thumbnail. Look, take. Look, it's making. How to make? You can make. I will show. Look, photos. Uploads. You can upload an image like this. Look, 1 minute it will come. Look, I am uploading. I will take Mbappe's video. Look, his video will come. Then I am taking like this. I am making it big. You can upload any video you want to make. I will show you how you can take this image. Look, if you want to take Free Fire video, you upload. Take Google. Yeah. And write Free Fire. Okay. You can take from here. Download from Google. Okay, like this. Like that you can make it. If you want to write something, you can write like this. Yeah. Okay. Can write it. What I will write. I'll write Mbappe. Okay. Look, I write. Now look, enter. Now look, Mbappe. Look, Mbappe. Then I can add some designs. It's easy. Elements you can add. If you are taking a Free Fire video, take Free Fire. You can download the video. Look, save image as save. It will be saved in your computer PC. Look, save. Then go to here. Okay. Then upload. You can see upload an image or video. Image. Take image. Take here. I will take Free Fire video. Where is that? Downloads. Not. Okay, I will check. Where is it? Look, it came. Look. Using Free Fire, you can make it. I will delete this Mbappe's. And I will make Free Fire. Delete Mbappe's. I am taking Free Fire. Look, can make it big. Big you should make. Don't make very small. Okay. This much big. And I can write something by text. I can write my Free Fire name here. Look. Okay, then Nachu King 1. Okay, you can add. Then you can write enter. Yeah, it's here. You should make it big. Okay, don't make it too small. Okay, otherwise you can keep also the background. Look, background gun. We can type gun. Look, no, they not have guns. You can take football. Look, I am taking football, so I am uploading football's video. Look, you can take background. Then you can download here in right side, download. Okay, it will download now. Okay, now I will show how to put a thumbnail to your YouTube video. I will show. Go to YouTube, take this. Look, where is it? It's not create, upload video. You can upload your video, which video you want to take I meant, wait. I am going to upload any videos. Okay, I am going to upload and which video? Checking. I will check. I will upload this video. Okay, open. I will text. Then it will start loading. Look, it will start loading. I will do Free Fire. Okay, I give title. Look here, the option is upload thumbnail. You can see, look, upload thumbnail. Press that, then it will take to here. Look, I am going to upload downloads. Where is my thumbnail? I think, where did I put it? I think I put it here. Where is that? Okay, look, downloads. Not this. Okay, look, I am putting Mbappe's video. That's not coming, that Free Fire. Look, yeah, Free Fire came. Yes, look, you have to check. Look, my thumbnail. Look, then visibility. No, it's not made for kids. Yeah, then you can public and publish.